Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a delicious dinner we made for Mother's Day last Sunday, and it's bangers and parsnip mash with crispy black pudding, and this is from Donal Skehan from his TV show that's on at the moment on RTE television in Ireland. But my husband wanted to make this dinner extra special and he took the lead on the dinner, so he decided we were going to have scallops with the black pudding also, and we did mashed potatoes too. So I'll just show you what we did. So here we are making the sauce, and it's literally just sauteing the onions, getting them nice and soft, adding 2 teaspoons of flour and letting that cook through for about a minute, and then you gradually add some cider, which we happened to have in the fridge, and this was gone dead. It was the bubbles were all gone out of it, so it was a handy one to use in this sauce. And it was 300 mils in the recipe, but I think I just used 200 mils. I will put all the details in the description box. So has anyone ever heard of Donal Skehan? He is quite a famous chef over here in Ireland. He was self-taught and he was in LA for a good few years, but he has moved home again. So this is just gradually adding the cider to the sauce to thicken it up. And there we go, that's the last of the cider. And the sauce thickened up really nicely, so it did. And at the end, you'll see after my husband has cooked the black pudding and the scallops, I add the sauce back into the pan to get all the flavours from the pan. So there's the black pudding cooked. This is the Super Value Signature Taste black pudding, and it's absolutely delicious. And here now we put some butter on the pan, getting the pan ready for the scallops. And if you have never had scallops before, you really should try them. They are so delicious. There they are. So there was 2 each for myself and my husband, and the kids had 1 each. Actually, they had 1.5 because one of my daughters refused to eat a scallop. She has tried them before and she just says she doesn't like them. But that's quite all right. As long as she's tried them, she's made up her own mind. But the other 2 absolutely loved them. And now he's adding some garlic granules into the pan. And you cook the scallops on the first side for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you turn them over and cook them on the other side for 1 to 2 minutes. And you can baste with the butter from the pan. And one of the tricks is not to be moving them around the pan the whole time, because you'll prevent them cooking through properly. So there's the scallops cooked. I will have the details on how I prepared the mash, the parsnip mash, in the description box as well. It was very simple and it was absolutely delicious. If you like parsnips, you will thoroughly enjoy it. And one of our kids isn't keen on parsnips, but still absolutely loved the parsnip mash. So that was great. Now here I am adding the sauce into the pan just to get all those delicious flavours. I'm getting hungry looking at this again. There's the sauce, lovely and thick. And now I think I'm ready to serve up. So here we are without the sauce. So there's some parsnip mash, and there's the sauce. Parsnip mash, potatoes, mashed potatoes, the black pudding with the scallops on top, and then the delicious onion gravy. I have to say this was really, really nice. So here we have everybody sitting down ready to eat, and some already digging in. Thank you all for joining me in my kitchen. I hope you had a nice Mother's Day, if it was Mother's Day where you were, and I hope to see you again soon. God bless you all. Bye.